Me, red. We need to talk today. For the work I do, I need more pay.
Hey Rhythm Nation, Ollie Heath here, back with another very exciting episode. Now this week, it's going to be World Book Day. Are you doing something special for it? Well, me, I love putting books to beats. I love making music around those brilliant texts, those words. There's so much music in books you would not believe.
You color with me, but why? You use me and why and make me cry.
And this particular book, if you haven't guessed it already, is based around the day the crayons quit. If you haven't read it yet, you must read it. But I have created my own rap version of it. I've created a crayon rage rap. And each one of these crayons is going to rap about their rage against their owner. And I'd like you to tell me who your favorite crayon is. Is it red? Is it blue? Is it white? Or is it pink? Write it down in the comment section below. And if you really love this and you have some connection with the school or working with children and you'd love to get your kids more upbeat about books, then I'm your man. World Book Day, World Book Week, celebrating books, I'm your man. I hope you enjoy it. And remember, listen with care, because even in books, music is everywhere. We are your crayons, throwing a fit. Your poor use of us, we will not permit. We are angrier than we care to admit. So listen to what we say, or we will have to quit.
Me, red. We need to talk today. For the work I do, I need more pay. Fire engines and so much more. Santa, Valentine, such a chore. I need a holiday, can't you use another? You work me harder than any other color. I've had enough, so I'm going back to books. The way you use us is unorthodox.
You color with me, but why? You use me and why and make me cry. No black outline, who knows I'm there? Use me in a rainbow, show me that you care. To you I'm snow or empty space, and now I can't even show my face. I've had enough for feeling empty. Now please use us correctly.
We are your crayons, throwing a fit.
Yeah.
Your poor use of us, we will not permit.
Nah.
We are angrier
Yes, we are.
than we care to admit.
Huh.
So listen to what we say, or we will have to
I've
quit.
been your favorite over this year. All your rivers, come on, let's cheer. The bad news is I'm short and stubby. Don't overuse me, I will go nutty. I can't see over the box anymore. A holiday I would adore. So put me down before I disappear, 'cause that is my deepest, darkest fear.
You've only used me once this year, and not just the girls or a souvenir. What about a pink hat on a cowboy, or a pink monster would bring me joy? I'm feeling unused and misunderstood. Your sister is really very, very good. What a pretty princess she has drawn. Your use of pink makes me want to yawn.
We are your crayons, throwing a fit. Your poor use of us, we will not permit. We are angrier than we care to admit. So listen to what we say, or we will have to quit. Or we will have
to quit. Yeah, yeah. Or we will have to quit.
Listen down.
Or we will have to quit. Listen up, Junior. Or we will have to quit.